Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your Citibank to PayPal account. So, of course, make sure to first of all go to your Citi.com account and make sure that you have an account. If you don't, go and open an account. I've already made a video on how to do that. Now, of course, we would like to go and access our PayPal account. So, make sure to go to paypal.com. Make sure to go. Why is this in French? Let me just try to change the language here into English, of course. Here we are. And yeah, so of course you'll need to go now log in into your accounts. Of course, for me, I'll try here to log in with my accounts right away. I don't know why change into French again. Let's change it to English. And now, of course, we'll have to enter the password. And I should be logged in into my account. Okay, maybe let me just log in. I'm coming back to you. So yeah, once you're logged in, you'll find yourself here. All you need to do now is just go to Wallet as an example. And then here as an example, you can link a card right away and you can link your Citibank card. If you don't want to link your Citibank card, you can just go back here to home, click on add card or bank. And once you click on that as an example, you can simply just go here and choose again to link your card account or your Citibank card account again, and you'll be able to do it. So it's gonna be the same, like to go into wallet and link a card. And of course, you can then start sending payments to that card if you want. So yeah, that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.